to my channel. I'm lighten. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the best, easiest and fastest way to lighten your lips. Before we get into this video, make sure that you subscribe my channel, click the bell icon so you won't get to miss out on any of my videos. So let's get started. So guys, for this you need 1 tablespoon of honey, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar, fresh lemon juice, and any lip moisturizer of your choice. So first of all, I'm creating a lip scrub. I'm measuring 1.5 tablespoons of my sugar into the 1 tablespoon of honey. After which I'll mix thoroughly and make sure the mixture looks neat. So now I'm scrubbing dead cells off my lips with the lip scrub I created earlier on. I guess this sugar and honey lip scrub is actually the best. It feels so good and so natural. For scrubbing, you can also make use of your toothbrush, but I prefer making use of my finger. With my finger, I'll be able to go easily around my lips, the inners, everywhere. So I just prefer making use of my finger, as you are seeing me do so now. So for the scrubbing, I'm scrubbing for about 1 minute, after which I'll let the sugar and honey mixture sit on my lips for about half a minute. Then I rinse it off my lips. So this is it, guys. With the aid of a cotton wool, I'm applying the lemon juice on my lips. As you can see, the way I'm applying it, I'm somehow massaging it on my lips. When it comes to lightening the skin naturally, lemon is the best. So I'm massaging this juice around my lips for about 30 seconds. That is half a minute. After which I'll let it sit, thereby drying naturally. So after drying, I apply another layer of the lemon juice on my lips. I'm gonna be doing that so fast. I let it sit for about another 30 minutes to dry naturally. Then I'm gonna be washing it off with cool water. So guys, you can make use of lip moisturizers of your choice. As for me, I'm using the Vaseline Rosy Lips Therapy. I'm so in love with this lip therapy. It makes my lips soft and smooth and of course pink. So as you can see the final results, so soft and smooth. So that's all for today guys. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked it, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to click the bell icon so you get notified when next I upload a new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.